Kurumjai, a very good afternoon. You are watching Afternoon English Bulletin on SKTV. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari. First, the headlines. Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla takes oath as 22nd Governor of Nagaland at a function held at Raj Bhavan in Kohima today. Posting and reading out newspaper clippings on social media hindered the functioning of print media in the state. And the Senapati District Police pushed back 541 illegal immigrants without valid ILP documents from Mao Gate. And now the top stories. Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla sworn in as the 22nd Governor of Nagaland at a function held at Raj Bhavan in Kohima today. Ajay Kumar Bhalla has been given the additional charge following the demise of Governor Naga Nation. Ajay Kumar Bhalla was administered the oath of office by Chief Justice of Guwahati High Court, Justice Ashutosh Kumar. The oath-taking ceremony was attended by Nagaland Chief Minister Nephew Rio, Deputy Chief Ministers T.R. Zeliang and Y.Y. Patton, several state ministers, MLAs, senior bureaucrats and other dignitaries. After taking the oath, Governor Bhalla held his first interaction with the state cabinet led by Rio at Raj Bhavan. He also inspected a ceremonial guard of honor as a part of the swearing-in ceremony. The program, chaired by Chief Secretary Sentiyangar Imchen, concluded with a reception at Raj Bhavan, where political leaders, tribal bodies, church representatives, and civil society organizations extended greetings to the new constitutional head of the state. All Manipur Hawkers Association, in short Imphal, President Wangkhem Ajit has expressed serious concerns on the challenges posed to newspaper hawkers by the trend of uploading and reading newspapers' contents on social media. He was speaking as the presiding member at the 44th Hawkers Day celebration at the Manipur Press Club, Infhal today. The function was also attended by Manipur People's Party President S. Brojan, Editors Guild Manipur President Kogendra Kondram, and All Manipur Working Journalists Union President Asim Bhakta as main dignitaries. During the function, attendees paid full tribute to the portrait of the late members of Imphal, besides the association members distributing pension money to its elder members who had retired from the occupation. Speaking further, Ajit maintained that employees of press and media are taking commendable role in the society despite facing many challenges and meager salaries. He also lauded newspaper hawkers for reaching out the newspapers to the public.
Niyam the Manipuri Makam Gudimakta Ipao Yohanba, Mayam Yetokana Amadi, Service now, wow, Nakoyam Punzilaga, Ponadana Ipao, Tokba Amadi, Yam, Midnapong University, Mapung Pari had said, Kanzi, Adubu, Yabanumai the Badi, Awatpa, Ishingi, Watpa, the Walagana PhD department, Sing Xiao, Labusingina, Water Resource, Aduga, Lambitong, Patriba Sing, China, PWD, Royal Education Sector. Sung mayam se ai koi ki media da sumaina chawat ka dona makoi sing sung magi department sing je angan bathap ta ai koi ki media ki sumaina awareness pi ba dona loi bi kuni mo de mina sing ka dona makoi ki pai bi department sing se ta watna yam no wil dai na mathok phana pam thom ning bagi apa ma si koi pasini la moi da ai thamjaningi.
In continuation of the special drive initiated to detect illegal immigrants in Manipur, Senapati District Police pushed back a total of 541 individuals after verifying over 3,500 known locals for violating the inner line permit system, that is ILP, in the last fortnight. The verification drives were carried out at Mao. According to officials, a special drive to detect illegal immigrants and foreign nationals without valid documents has been carried out intensively and extensively throughout the Senapati district by the Senapati District Police since the beginning of this month. During the last fortnight, from August 7 to August 23rd, Senapati Police verified 3,559 individuals, of whom 296 were found without an ILP, 237 had expired ILPs, and 8 underage boys who had come for labor were sent back from the Mao Gate. Those without an ILP or with an expired one were issued a fresh ILP or had theirs renewed accordingly at the Mao Gate ILP counter. So far, no illegal immigrants have been detected. The drive has been carried out in the market areas, pockets inhabited by non-locals, along National Highway Number 2, the Maram Pareng Road, the Thadou Toloi Road, and the other inter-village roads. A reinforced team, including the Senapati Police and the 4th IRB, has been stationed at Tamphung 24/7 to monitor the movement of illegal immigrants into the district via the Maram Pareng Road. SP Senapati, SM Jaib Zakir, additional SP and other officials visited Tamphung for inspection and to oversee the proper functioning of the Tamphung checkpost. The special drive will continue in the days to come. Two girls from Andro who went missing on August 23rd after they went out to meet their friend were successfully located by members of Arambai Tengol Unit Number 63 Thanga from Thanga Ithing area yesterday, and they have been handed over to their family members. The two, who are students of 9th standard, went missing since August 23rd, and their family members had reported to Arambai Tengol for assistance. Later, they were traced by members of Arambai Tengol Unit Number 63 Thanga at around 8 p.m. last night, and subsequently, their parents were informed before being safely handed over. Among the hill districts of Manipur, Noney has become one of the worst hit districts by extreme weather, recording unusually high temperatures along with heavy rainfall and recurring landslides. Adding to the crisis, KYVO Valley witnessed severe flooding for the first time in living memory, leaving residents shocked and frightened. Locals said such an incident had never occurred before in the valley. We have an exclusive report from SKTV Chief News Reporter Ketrimian Premchand. Let's take a look.
Noney, known for its highest railway pier bridge and stunning natural landscapes, has in recent years faced series of challenges. The district has been frequently affected by landslides, floods, and thunderstorms, with incidents so severe that rooftops have been blown away, disrupting daily life and causing significant damage. Noney district witnessed incessant heavy rainfall this June, recording 90 millimeters of rainfall, which caused flooding in several parts of Khopum division. The situation worsened in July with rainfall increasing drastically to 225 millimeters, leading to overflow of Khopum Dam. Flash flood occurred due to the overflow which inundated stretches of agricultural fields in Khopum Valley, and several households were also badly affected.
Khopum Dam ki ising se overflow oiba danger point lagi meter ama hengale ase ogi leven da wang na sakre ase sehi asuk jama manung da ngasi na ihen hele khoi nung sa thi ba lei khrek dam se ado achaw asang sing na khra yeng se lega khra water resource department da khangan jari Maramdi Khopum Dam se ising se overflow or degi makha da sun law loina thumding kre
Residents in Noney district have reported significant changes in weather patterns, with unusually high temperatures and sudden heavy rainfall causing concern. According to a report released by Directorate of Environment and Climate Change, the temperature in Noney district rose to 40 degrees Celsius on 22nd May this year. In early June, the district again recorded 39 degrees Celsius. The intense heat was soon accompanied by sudden rainfall measuring approximately 225 millimeters, resulting in flooding that has shocked residents. They stated that such extreme weather events have been occurring with increasing frequency over the past 5 years, raising fears about future incidents.
Ekoi khun area da numi humni se nungsa kanna sarami mudugi matungda flood hype se thokni maram moduna ekoi khunda laiba tampak lau se phadana sokre tampak lau khaktana tna ching lau su palm lau su morok lau su yum kai pokri da laiba nga sing chu loin chen khre ising isauna much like na nin khai badagi amang ata se phadana thokre ekoi se wakha yam ware hoje amok thokdra haina wakhalda kiba wakhalda phawre.
The question now arises whether the frequent landslides in Noney district are primarily caused by significant changes in climate, particularly heavy rainfall triggering landslides amid sudden spikes in temperature that dry out the soil on the hillsides. Moreover, human activities in the area may have contributed to these disasters.
Chingjana mana segi forest yam kok tharabani na direct rainfall jina raindrop mayam jina soil thaba matam jida soil mayam erosion ji yam high intensity da thui ko china erosion gi were tap na sang na churaga na mu sai water mayam je percolate tawraga slope kumba kari kumba da stability later mafam da di maru ena miyoiba na interference thola ba bi lambi ka kuni khangde atu structure sajal kuni khangde ani nature gi lejaram ba slope to thugara ma mafum da di yam chang na nong je chura ga di high intensity natraga su lepna sum chu tharaga di sing do percolate tawraga landslide thokpagi yam chances yam wang.
Manipur has also started experiencing effects of climate change. The concern now is the preparedness of local populations to tackle such challenges. As such, it is wise to discuss what steps have been taken up by relevant authorities.
Chingdadi communication namadi magi capacity of nemba jaga nina koi the praja sing siju koi yam sebu jaga da leiba yam koi da bnina hai tare ko beli sungai ching sungai re man yam effect oriba koi phadi so be affected people sing sidi ko senthok nemba kangbu hai gadra koi category da hai gana koi kitang koi shape koi le hodu jaga da leiba yum kai mo ta har su kitang permanent structure le ta adu na han so idena ko aduna masigi pochi ekoina yamna advisory ma akoigi se antaga Noney nuksit kala gadi kai tawari ka happy ke tumwa advisory ma yam kanna masi akoigi related department singna or institution na twin lokku tum sangra khalle koi se heat wave ko la koi ge koi tum related my relevant department na koi tawa hore jik se smai taw da koi su koi environment department jo koi basigi advisory notes se am lo jare aduga masi koi ju radio through the or local rocket through the koi advisory mati climate evidence ki wena as a total the totality wena hai tare phana se wet heat wave ki adagi yam severe coldness ki adagi se heavy rainfall ki mayam di yakun advisory ma taw ge hana koi plan di lei jare.
Climate change cannot be stopped by anyone. However, to prevent severe hardships from disasters, scientists and government officials have suggested certain precautionary measures. It is believed that by translating these measures into action, people's life can be saved from the impacts of intense heat, thunderstorms and landslides. This is Khetrumiyum Premchan reporting for SKTV News, Imphal.
The long-awaited Sayang Bukri Development Project in Sagolban Assembly constituency is now nearing completion and will soon be formally inaugurated for public use, as assured earlier by local MLA R.K. Mo. The project has transformed the historic pond with fresh water refill, cemented flooring around, and a single-line power connection to fully illuminate the surroundings. The site now offers a refreshing environment for morning workers, evening leisure seekers, and community gatherings. An adjoining garden with an open gym and a children's play area further enhances the space, positioning Sayang Bukri as a vibrant recreational hub and potential tourist attraction in Imphal city. Alongside the pond's makeover, extensive repair and installation of street lights have been completed across Sayang, Kurau Makong, and Amudon Nambul Mapal Road. The workers were carried out under the direct supervision of MLA R.K. Mo, without the major assistance from the power department, ensuring improved safety, accessibility, and aesthetics of the area. The MLA also urged government departments to take responsibility for timely repair and maintenance of street lights across the state to ensure uninterrupted public service. Local residents expressed gratitude to R.K. Mo, acknowledging that his initiatives have significantly improved the quality of life in the constituency. Security forces recovered the cache of arms and ammunition from a stretch between Jogdakal village in Jiribam district and Sayomphai village in Ferjol district under Borobekra police station. The recovered items include one 7.62 mm AK-47 rifle, one 5.56 mm Insas light machine gun, one 303 rifle, one single-barrel rifle, one 9 mm pistol, two numbers of 36 grenades, 36 rounds of assorted ammunition, 4 handheld radio sets, and 3 magazines of different rifles. The seized items have been handed over to Borobekra police station for further investigation. Manipur police arrested a vehicular lifter identified as Mohammad Nazir Khan, aged 36 years, of Sangayumpham Part 1, Sabalaikai in Thobal district on August 24th. From his residence, police recovered a Maruti Suzuki A-Star car, a Yamaha Fasino scooter, and a mobile phone with 2 SIM cards. The same day, security forces carried out search in the foothills of Huikab village under Andro police station in Imphal East, leading to a major arms recovery. The haul include one 4 kg IED, one 9 mm pistol with magazine, 2 12-bore rifles, one number 36 hand grenade, one tear smoke sail, one smoke grenade, one stun grenade, one rubber bullet, 5 blank cartridges, one number 80 MKI grenade, 6 live rounds, one 7.62 SLR magazine, and one Baofeng wireless set. In another operation on August 23rd, police arrested an active KYKL cadre identified as Thongam Dilip Mite of Napat Mayai Lekai, Bishnupur district from Tangjing Kuno under Suknu police station in Kakching district. He was reportedly involved in extortion from schools and brickfield owners in Kakching and Thobal districts. The 2 mobile phones were seized from him. Students of Manipur Technical University took out a protest demanding the appointment of a vice-chancellor for the university at the earliest. Speaking on the sideline of the sit-in that was held at the campus located at Takelpat, a student named Furailatpam Harish maintained students of Manipur Technical University have been facing various inconveniences due to non-appointment of a regular vice-chancellor for over 2 years. This has resulted to delay in multiple development work for the university. Harish also drew the attention towards delay in payment of scholarships for students for 2 years, while also expressing concern on the possibility of impact on 2025 to 26 scholarship. He also warned relevant authority to address their concern within 5 days, while also warning to intensify agitations.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯕꯤꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯊꯥꯕꯤꯔꯛꯇꯕꯩ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯀꯗꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯣꯊꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯕꯤꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯂꯩꯇꯕꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕꯤꯖꯅꯦꯜ ꯁꯥꯔꯇꯤꯐꯤꯀꯦꯠ ꯄꯤꯗꯗꯅ ꯃꯄꯥꯟ ꯂꯝꯗ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯇꯝꯕ ꯆꯠꯀꯗꯕ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯑꯦꯗꯃꯤꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯕꯤꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯊꯥꯕꯤꯔꯛꯇꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯦ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯀꯟꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯪ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯊꯣꯡꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯇꯥꯡ 9 ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯊꯥꯕꯤꯔꯛꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯖꯔꯤ
Before we move on to other news, let's take a short commercial break. We'll be right back. Keep watching Sktv'S.
Great opportunity for local operators. SKTV is expanding. Come and be a part of SKTV revolution with high-speed internet, IPTV along with OTT and other benefits. We are building stronger connections through franchising. Become a local cable operator and provide reliable information and entertainment to your neighbors. Unlock your growth with our technology and top-tier service. So if you're looking for exclusive partnership opportunities, then please call us at 700-5259-437 or 897-420-9157.
Skate broadband service na miyam gidamak kudong sabak ya puduna lakseri. High speed internet service ke tuan ba plan sing leizare. 450 plan da 200 Mbps speed Wi-Fi, IPTV, channel sani yangkai hena amasung SKTV gi OTT phanbigani. 550 plan da 300 Mbps speed Wi-Fi, IPTV, channel sani yangkai hena amasung SKTV gi OTT phanbigani. 700 plan da 500 Mbps speed Wi-Fi, IPTV, channel sani yangkai hena amasung SKTV gi OTT phanbigani. 850 plan da unlimited 100 Mbps speed Wi-Fi, IPTV, channel sahum yangkai hena OTT da SKTV, Z5 amadi atai OTT tara mari phanbigani. 1000 plan da unlimited 125 Mbps speed Wi-Fi, IPTV, channel sahum yangkai hena OTT da SKTV, Z5, Sonelif amadi atai OTT tara mari phangbigani. 1300 plan da unlimited 150 Mbps speed Wi-Fi, IPTV, free IP box, channel samri yangkai hena OTT da SKTV, Z5, Sonelif, Jio Hotstar amadi atai OTT tara mari phangbigani. 1800 plan da unlimited 200 Mbps speed Wi-Fi, IPTV, free IP box, channel samra yangkai hena OTT da SKTV, Z5, Sonelif, Jio Hotstar, Lionsgate Play amadi atai OTT tara mari phangbigani. 2500 plan da unlimited 300 Mbps speed Wi-Fi, IPTV, free IP box, channel samra yangkai hena OTT da SKTV, Z5, Sonelif, Jio Hotstar, Lionsgate Play amadi atai OTT tara mari phangbigani. Customer request da ETV Win Hoisoi natraga Sun NXT su lobiba yagani. Akupa marol gidamak Kaisampat Junction da laiba SK office natraga Sangai Promamang Lekai da laiba SKTV office da lakpiu. Mobile number sing 8974-633-320 natraga 8974-209-152 da call to birak pasu yagani. Skate.
Welcome back. You're watching Afternoon English Bulletin on SKTV. Now proceeding with other news. Joint Youth Development Committee Mayang Imphal Meitei Pangal has alleged that officials of department concerned and contractors have withdrawn huge sums of money meant for bridge construction under PMGSY before its completion. Committee President Desam Achoba, addressing media at the office of Bangun Youth Development Association, said the Bailey Bridge over Imphal River connecting Bangun Lokok in Mayang Imphal Assembly Constituency with Haibong Makong Khul Village in Wabagai Assembly Constituency remains incomplete despite assurances that it will be finished by May 30th this year. He revealed that construction has now come to a complete halt, and based on information obtained through RTI, more than 2.5 crore rupees has already been withdrawn by officials and contractors. The committee has urged the government to look into the matter and ensure timely completion of the bridge. The committee also announced plans to file a complaint with the Vigilant Department against those involved in the alleged misappropriation.
Public Asuyamba, Prajaki, Asuyamba Public, Yamna Maruiba, Asugumba, property as in Manganbata, Hariba Tikadarsi, number 1 ni Aduga, Asuyamba Paisasi, Loktok, Pitpina Bohona Matamda, Pil the Salaga, Tabuksi Kadai, Pobakari, Takta Kamayok Shalagi, Haibasu, Nainavida Basemasi, Department is I think I'm like Tiba neighbors. Aduna, Equina Hiding is Atubumatamda, Hariba. Pose equina lotion view, Haina department gi masada so equina Karak Hana, Tikadar sing one view, Adupuna Pamina housing, Naiko, Renga, Yenga, Hangsikan, some dealing tactics or some later. Mina, Shigi Matanga, Vigilance, Minariba Lupsinga, Pulaga, Hariba, Shigi, Tong Sigi, Tokriba, by Sassing Sigi Matang, the Koi, Vigilance, Kiesama, restart Oragani.
Proscribe Group Zelengrong United Front ZUF gracefully extends its heartfelt welcome to the recent joining of 8 cadres of different organizations to the office. According to a press release issued by its Secretary, Information and Publicity, Louise Gangmei, Tatar PG Maithailung, Rajo Bayu Nelson Daimai, 2nd Lieutenant Singjangam Kamei of NSCNR, Captain Guilianglung Kamei and Captain Pauktailung Gonmei of NSCNK, Corporal Barishaba Piamtag, Corporal Zangsing Lung and Private Karyangan Kamei of NSCNIM has recently joined ZUF. While describing the decision of the new cadres as a profound commitment to the truth, justice and the enduring cause of the Zelengrong and its kindred community, ZUF maintained that each comrade who joins reinforces their moral resolve, consolidates fraternity and reaffirms that the struggle of the Zelengrong political aspiration is advancing with renewed confidence and clarity of purpose. It also extended open invitation to all those who are willing to walk the path of unity and collective struggle. National Socialist Council of Nagaland, NSC and GPRN, has reiterated its firm stand that Indo-Naga political peace process is a dialogue between two sovereign entities and that Nagaland's sovereignty, national flag and constitution remain non-negotiable. Delivering the Independence Day address, Chief Political Negotiator and General Secretary T.H. Muiva stressed that Indo-Naga political settlement must be rooted in Amsterdam Joint Communique of July 11, 2002 and the Framework Agreement of August 3, 2015. Muiva declared that NSCN rejects past agreements such as the 1960 16-point agreement, which led to creation of Nagaland state in 1963 and 1975 Shillong Accord, calling them betrayals of Naga nationalist movement. He emphasized that these accords cannot override Nagaland's 1947 Independence Declaration and 1951 plebiscite. Reaffirming its official position, NSCN declared that the final settlement with India must be an honorable and acceptable political solution derived from ongoing negotiations, not under the Constitution of India or Myanmar. NSCN President Q Tiku's earlier plebiscite day message was also recalled, urging the Naga people to uphold the Framework Agreement in its letter and spirit and reject solutions that compromise sovereignty. Thadou in Manipur TIM organized a meeting for Thadou community yesterday in Shillong, attended by members of Thadou community residing in Meghalaya. After detailed deliberations, the gathering resolved to establish 2 new bodies for the community. According to the resolution, an flexible body of Thadous in Meghalaya, in line with Thadou Inpi Constitution TIC and 2015 Thadou Conclave Declaration was constituted. Helung Thadou was elected as interim convener of Thadou Inpi Meghalaya TIML alongside the 5 other members. Recognizing that majority of Thadous are Christians, a distinct platform for worship was also created. Thadou Christian Church Shillong was formally established with T. Thadou as the interim convener and 4 other members forming its leadership team. The meeting further advised all members of Thadou community in Meghalaya to dissociate themselves from cookie groups and extend full cooperation to the newly formed Thadou Inpi Meghalaya and Thadou Christian Church Shillong. Reaffirming its stand, Thadou MP reiterated that Thadou is a distinct ethnic group, not a part of or underneath Kuki, citing Thadou Convention 2024 that declared any attempt to portray Thadou as Kuki or part of Kuki as illegitimate. Quasify Youth's voluntary organization KYVO celebrated its 47th Foundation Day at Quasify Mamang Ibudo Nongda Lairen Pakhangba Community Hall yesterday. Former chairman of United National Liberation Front UNLF Ningthemcha Sanayama, former chief secretary of Manipur Oinam Navakishore, president of KYVO M. Daneshwar, social scientist Dr. Dhanivir Laistrom, president of Quasify Apun Balluk M. Tej Manu, former member of Nacho Jila Parishad T.H. Dilip, member of Quasify Central Force Association L. Sanjeet, co-founder of Mother's Pride Academy Quasify K. Devendra and K.H. Basanta graced the program. Meritorious students, sportspersons and other individuals who have excelled in various examinations were felicitated by presenting memento, shawl, certificate and cash awards. Speaking on the sideline, Ningthemcha Sanayama stressed on the need to face the forces that are trying to challenge the identity of Manipur and are posing a threat to communities in the state. He also urged people to pay tribute to forefathers who have laid down their lives for Manipur and those who have lost their lives in the ongoing conflict by organizing Langban Heisoi Tamba ceremonies.
Define posting adugi ngasi athoba order mayam sigi makhoi ki thawai mirela do aduna ni ta ngala pa ta yata mongna ba asoi katsi ka view have it yam tamjake madudagi khoina pagal lo sing lawraga makha ta na akoi lepa se kanna warabada akoi thurba se kanna warabada chengal ga ba kana sawa aromba khongjang aromba ihodo
Ethno Heritage Council Haricon organized a voluntary blood donation camp conveying the message of Yelho Furup Sinda Kathoglabai. Altogether, 30 volunteers donated blood during the camp conducted in collaboration with Blood Transfusion Unit of Jennings. Haricon stated that the blood donation camp was organized with an aim to fill up blood shortages and that it will continue to take up humanitarian activities to benefit the people. Like-minded group LMG Manipur honored Tongbram Sitaljit, an internally displaced person, for securing an outstanding All India rank 139 in NEET 2025. Sitaljit, originally from Churachandpur's D. Falyang Laimaram Lekai, has been living at Langol Game Village Zone 4 relief camp since the outbreak of violence in May 2023. Despite the challenges of displacement, he cleared the national level medical entrance test with remarkable success. To encourage his achievement, LMG presented him with a cash reward of 7,000 rupees and a memento during a felicitation program. Group Secretary Orjit Sora KYVO lauded his perseverance, stating that Shitaljit's success is a source of motivation for other displaced students aspiring for competitive exams. The program was attended by LMG office bearers, including Publicity Secretary Rakesh Naram, Treasurer Kunjeshwar Mangsatabam, Assistant Secretary Surendra Ningomba, and several members. Manipur Fire Service has condoled the demise of T.H. Santa, who had served as head mechanic of Manipur Fire Service. The condolence meeting was organized by Directorate of Fire Service Manipur at its office near Polo Ground and was attended by Director Laishram Navachandra and other staffs. In the condolence meeting, attendees paid tribute to the late T.H. Shanta and remember his contribution to Manipur Fire Services. They also expressed their condolence and solidarity to bereaved family. Moving on to national and international news, security forces have launched search operation after around half a dozen drones from Pakistan were sighted hovering over forward areas along the line of control LOC in Poonch district of Jammu and Kashmir. Officials said the drones were detected around 9:15 p.m. on Sunday over Balakot, Langkot and Gursai Nala in Mendhar sector. Officials said the drones, believed to have been deployed for surveillance, flew at a high altitude and returned to the Pakistani side within 5 minutes. Following these sightings, security forces cordoned off the area. With the break of dawn, a search operation was launched in multiple locations to ensure there was no airdropping of weapons or narcotics. Use of drones for smuggling arms and narcotics across the border has emerged as a major challenge for security agencies in recent years. In February last year, police announced a reward of 3 lakh rupees for anyone providing information on drone sightings that lead to the recovery of dropped consignments. At least 19 people, including 3 journalists, were killed after an Israeli strike hit Nazir Hospital in Gaza on Monday, Palestinian health officials said. Among the dead was writer-contractors Hatem Khalid, a photographer, according to the news agency. The attack came as Israel stepped up preparations for a full-scale operation in Gaza City. Tens of thousands of reservists have been mobilized, and Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has vowed to dismantle Hamas strongholds despite growing international appeals for restraint. Hamas accused Netanyahu of obstructing ceasefire negotiations, calling the latest offensive a brutal war against innocent civilians in Gaza City. Israel's security cabinet has meanwhile approved an expansion of military operations aimed at seizing complete control of Gaza's largest city. The escalation has raised alarm among international observers who warned of worsening humanitarian conditions and mass displacement. Netanyahu's far-right coalition allies have also praised for tougher measures, with Finance Minister Bezalel Smotrich recently finalizing a new West Bank settlement plans, drawing widespread condemnation. And before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at headlines once again. Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla to take oath as 22nd Governor of Nagaland today. Posting and reading out newspaper clippings on social media hindered the functioning of print media in the state. Sanapati District Police pushed back 541 illegal immigrants without valid ILP documents from Noney. Well, that's all we have in this afternoon bulletin. Thank you for watching SKTV News and keep watching for more news updates. Till then, have a great evening.